So I got an email from Christopher at OMORC, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. He wanted to know if I would like to share their 5.8 quart air fryer to my subscribers, and I'm like, absolutely. I'm all about air frying. So today I'm going to do a review of their 5.8 quart air fryer, and then we are going to test it out with frozen fries and chicken wings. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first things first, of course, it is going to come with a user's manual. And it comes with a little booklet of air fryer recipes. Just go through that real quick. So let's go through the presets. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. The on and off button is right here on the lower right hand side. Our menu button is right here. It's the M. I'm going to go ahead and push that twice, and that will take us through our presets. Let's go through that real quick. We have cake, shrimp, I believe that's bacon, French fries, fish, steak, and chicken. So if you wanted to use one of the presets, so for like chicken 360 degrees for 25 minutes, you just push the button and it will start. So if you don't want to use the presets and set your own time, you just simply push on the clock here and go ahead and turn the dial to your desired time. This does go all the way up to 60 minutes, which is nice. To set your temperature, just click on the temperature button. Again, just go ahead and turn the knob to your desired temperature. This does go up to 400 degrees, all the way down to 180. Then just push the button when you're ready to go. Also, when you open it up while it's on, it will automatically shut off, and when you push it back in, it will resume. Can't see it yet until I push it, but right here is a keep warm button. I absolutely love that. It will keep your food warm for up to 120 minutes. I'll go ahead and show you the basket. It has the safety latch here. Flip that forward, push the button, and lift the basket out. Put it back in, close the latch up. It's in there securely. So here is the back of the air fryer. It has a vent here. Now remember, you want to keep this about 5 to 7 inches away from your wall. Also down here is a place to wrap your cord. That is a very nice feature. I went ahead and turned the air fryer on its side because I wanted to show you the top heating element. But what I really wanted to show you was the guard, which is a very nice feature because if any food blows up, it will not get caught up in there and burn. It does have more venting here all the way around on the bottom side. Okay, I think I covered just about everything. It's time to put the air fryer to the test. We are going to make frozen French fries and chicken wings. I went ahead and threw some fries in here. This is the kind of fries I'm using. Go ahead and pop these into the air fryer. I am not going to use the preset for the fries, so I'm going to set my own time. So I'm going to hit the time button. I usually go for 10 to 12 minutes on my fries. For 10 minutes and the temperature for 400 degrees. And we are ready to go. Halfway through the cooking time, I'm just going to take the basket out like this and give it a good shake and just put it back in and let it go. Okay, our fries are done, and it's going to go through a cooling phase for about 15 to 20 seconds. Then it will automatically shut off. And here are our fries. I'm going to go ahead and plate these up and we will take a taste. All right, I have our fries plated up. I'm going to go ahead and take a taste. Very nice. Very nice. The air fryer passed test number 1. Now let's go to test number 2. Okay, for our wings, I'm just going to make it simple. I'm going to use this Mango Habanero seasoning mix. I got this at Aldi's a couple of weeks ago, and I'm very anxious to try this out. I have my wings here. I got the drumettes and the flats. I'm going to go ahead, pour this into my bag, mix it up well, and then we'll pop this into the air fryer. Okay, I got the wings in the air fryer basket. That little fella did not get coated very well, but that's okay. Let's move on over to the air fryer. Okay, I have the temperature set to 400 degrees for 15 minutes off camera. Halfway through the cooking time, I'm just going to go ahead and flip our wings over and then let it go the remaining time. Oh, look at that. Wow. All right. We are good. I'm going to plate these up real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, I have our wings plated up. It's got a nice color. Let's go ahead and take a taste. First off, the OMORC air fryer did its job and cooked up these wings perfectly, so it passed the test. Now for the Mango Habanero seasoning. It does have a little spice to it, an itsy bitsy little heat to it. I call it baby heat. So if you're unable to do hot and spicy, I see no reason really why you cannot give this a try. Again, I'm really loving the flavor, but the heat is just not there. So I hope you made it this far into the video because OMORC has agreed to give away one of their 5.8 quart air fryers. This is open to US residents and European countries. So if you would, hit that thumbs up for OMORC for doing this giveaway because they did not have to do it whatsoever. So if you want in on this giveaway, you must be a subscriber. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what part of the chicken wing you like best. Is it the flats, the drumettes, both, or you don't like chicken wings, whatever it is? Tell me at the end of your comment. You have until Saturday, February 16th to enter. I will draw a winner on Sunday, and in a day or two, I will put that video up announcing the winner. Also, OMORC is offering $30 off this air fryer if you are interested. Here is the code for that. I will also put it down in the description along with a link to their website. The odds are probably going to be good in this giveaway because I'm not announcing it in the description. So thank you again, OMORC, for doing this. I greatly appreciate it. Good luck, everyone. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.